today. Basically, I broke my collarbone and I can't go out to skate. That's really aggravating me. It's like proper sunny outside. You can see my back garden. Skateboard's a big no-no, says the doctor. Big twat. So, mum's not home. She's gone to drop my little brother off at school. I'm gonna put a CD in the microwave. So I'm not bluffing, in goes the CD. Close the door. Might not be, I'm in the towel by the way, I'm just about to get in the shower. So yeah, takers. The door's broken on my microwave. Slam it shut. Oh, 10 seconds. You might be able to see it in there. Just look at my lovely belly if you can't. What the fuck? That was messed up. So that's the CD. It's like got like spider webs around it, and I make my face look really fat. Like anyway, yeah, the CD's like fucked up. Do you know what? I'm gonna try putting it in the CD player. In goes the CD. Press play. Turn it up so you can hear. Ooh, the suspense is killing me. No disc. Yeah, it's fucked. So I need to get rid of the disc so like nothing ever happened. So like 1 sec. I believe I can fly. So yeah, if you ever want to know what it's like to put a CD in the microwave, it's that. I'm not normally like this, I'd rather just go out and skate. Fuck you, collarbone, I'm a spin glove, it's really cool. So I'm not the eyebrow, that was fucked up, I got bored, but yeah, I want to done alright rugby, yeah, so I'm going there, bye.